there any? There's nothing here. I'm sorry you took me here for this. What is this? I thought you said you could get into it. No, it's grown that much. So these tracks aren't used? This track here isn't used? But the other one is? Oh, it's a squirrel. I'm sorry, where's the way?
I told it at the end.
It's down the end, yeah. Oh, sounds cool. The traffic cone. You say go right down the end. How far are we talking? Jesus Christ, it's still going. Oh, you can tell this one's not used. It hasn't got the wood on. Oh, no, none of them do. There's a train there. Is that abandoned? Train. There's graffiti on the train. Oh, this place is massive. I reckon it's one of the odd clay things, but I don't have a clue. That's been stripped. Ow. Bloody thorns. Got me right in my armpit. Yeah. Right in my armpit. It hurt. I'm sorry, how do you expect me to walk through that? Okay, yeah, fair enough. Backwards it is. I hear a train. I want to see the train. Okay, I don't see a train. Let's do it. It's behind.
It was over that way.
Oh man. You gonna keep going?
Yeah, I'll just get the tick off that.
Oh, tick? Yeah. What are they doing here? That's disgusting. Bloody thorns. Get out of my leg. And she's gone. Road marking. There's a cat. It's yellow paint for road markings. Oh Jesus, you're on the floor. Oh, it echoes. Yeah. No, that makes sense. I'll have a look in a minute if you want. On me. Yeah, that can there is for the road markings. I mean, I would have felt a tick by now if there was one, wouldn't I? There's a door there. Is there a way into this bit?
It's going to be by that bit that I just went into, isn't it?
What?
It's going to be by the bit I just went into.
It looks like it, but I don't see anything. Oh yeah, we walked completely past it. There we are. This will be better. So what did you say this place is? Yeah, I don't know. But a train station thing. I wouldn't say a station, but it does look like it because there's a platform there. So what do you reckon? Old Bugle train station? Ow, I just got stabbed. And then I reckon this was a train station. And that's the end of that bit. And then there's a little bit more there. Chloe? Where are you? Mm-hmm. Ow. Yeah. I just snapped the tree. I just snapped the tree. Oh, just slipped. Oh, there's a window. Open. Shut. Oh, tree up my arse. I'm definitely gonna have spiders in my hair. Spider! Is this the end of it? What? Was that a yeah?
Yeah.
Huh.